back to the channel. Now it's a very big day for the crypto market. Of course, it's a very big day for Coinbase as well. For those of you that are not already aware, Coinbase will be going public, IPOing, initial public offering. This means they're going to be listed on the stock exchange under the ticker symbol Coin. Now, for those of you that are not familiar with the stock market, this is when you can buy and sell shares in the company. Now, this is why this is significant, because essentially, as many of you are aware, maybe even last year, the last few years, we've had so much pushback against against buying cryptocurrency, against Bitcoin, against Ethereum. Or Ethereum wasn't even a thing basically, but there's been so much pushback now and there was rumors that cryptocurrency will be completely banned, cryptocurrencies will be outlawed, etc. So for Coinbase, one of the largest cryptocurrency platforms to go public, is very significant and has essentially made history, because I'm sure there are going to be many more cryptocurrency based companies to IPO, go public after this. But yeah, this is historic. Now, as you can see here, Coinbase listing comes after Bitcoin BTC surges 1.8% on Tuesday. So yeah, we did hit all-time highs yesterday of $63,000, a record, which is an all-time high. And digital becomes increasingly mainstream. So I want you to really, pay attention to this, right? Because we said this would happen when Bitcoin was under $3,000, right? And as you guys can see, really as well, that Bitcoin on top of that is really starting to stabilize as well, right? It's becoming less volatile. And as you can see, some really good entries on Bitcoin throughout this year and even last year as well. Again, we did call the entries at 45K. We also called an entry at around 55K. And obviously our target, which we posted specifically in the standard group Telegram, which you can join by clicking the link in my bio, and our cryptocurrency premium group, where we posted specific targets and entries. And as you can see, we're almost close to that first target area, which is $66,000. What a significant milestone. Now, like I said, you can see that Bitcoin is now stabilizing, and as this becomes more mainstream, this is going to become more of I believe it will still continue to trend. We could see one more solid push beyond 100K, but then we can start to see price maybe consolidate even more and maybe start to move to the upside, or people that have been in for years will start to take profits and shift it over to altcoins, etc. So I believe we are going to see a significant shift in other altcoins, for example Ethereum, which is where we're starting to see the push, guys. Again, I gave the video on this. If you didn't take action on this, obviously that's all completely up to do. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, click the bell notification icon so you can stay up to date on all my recent posts. Remember, guys, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice. So always make sure to do your own research. And the research on Ethereum, we're pointing to the moon. And as you can see, this is an over 200% move so far for the year. 200% move, and we've hit all-time highs yesterday, and we're approaching our first target area, which we also posted on Crypto Crew Premium, link in the description. So this is a significant milestone. Let's go back to the article, and again, guys, we're seeing the user base overall of Coinbase increase. The publicity on the news, them being listed on the stock exchange, is not only going to bring about more users on the Coinbase platforms, but we're going to see more diversification. We're going to see more Bitcoin holders start to buy those altcoins, right? Which is where we believe we're going to see the biggest boom this year. And we're going to see people that have never even considered cryptocurrency start to buy Bitcoin as their first bet, or if they're in the NFT space, they may buy some NFT based coins. And then we're going to see the people that were talked out of buying any Bitcoin or talked out of buying any cryptocurrency. We're going to see these people really start to go in really hard to make up for all the lost time, especially if they are institutional investors. Now, the prediction so far is a valuation of around $250 per share, which would obviously make the company be valued at around 50 billion. But the first rumor was 100 billion. So if it's 250 per share, that's incredible. We got over $585. That was the first. That's the articles we saw leading up to this. And that $100 billion mark did actually make a lot of sense. But if this is the IPO price, I mean, that is really, really good in my opinion. And again, some of you may be thinking to yourself, $50 billion. Guys, think about the cryptocurrency space and how much it's set out to grow this year. And we're also going to see almost a battle between China and the US on who's gonna, essentially start dominating the mining market. We're gonna see huge mining going on in the US and Europe. Firms that didn't want to buy Bitcoin, they're going to start. Kevin O'Leary recently said on a YouTube interview that he's investing in a European mining facility to essentially help with the mining of Bitcoin, and then obviously they would have that untouched Bitcoin rather than buying Bitcoin on the market. So this is going to get really interesting, and I believe this this demand or this race. Arms race for China and the US for crypto Bitcoin will drive the overall price up of the cryptocurrency space. So we're glad that we're positioned well, and we'll be continuing to look at some of the coins that we can snap up early, right before this arms race does begin. It's already started, to be honest with you, and because at the end of the day, what America's scared of now is China essentially having a digital currency that can be used throughout the world, right? One currency that they can use to settle transactions rather than in the dollar. There's just so much to talk about here. There's so much going on, but I'm super excited for today. Today is going to be really historic. Make sure you click the link in my description and join that Telegram group, because we're going to keep you guys up to date on all the movement this week and today and this week. And also, don't forget, guys, we said this. Go and join the Telegram group. We said prior to this, this is what's going to happen. This is what the Coinbase IPO is going to do to the market. These are the coins to look out for. And surprise, surprise, they're all taking off. When others are fearful, be greedy. When others are greedy, be fearful. At the moment, we're about to see a massive boom. With that being said, guys, seize the day.